Yeah. I'm just filming a video, so I'll give you a call back. I'll call you about 12. Hello and welcome to FAQ Tube on this fine 1st of August. And the 1st of August brings a special event every year to YouTube, and that is VEDA or VEDA, depending on where you are in the world. And that stands for Video Every Day in August, or Vlog Every Day in August. Depends what tickles your fancy. But I'm not really a vlogger, but I will be bringing you a video every single day this August. So I've gone from one extreme of hardly uploading anything last year to uploading every single day this month. I'm going to share with you all of my top tips for YouTube, some quick tips to get some quick wins on YouTube, some in-depth strategy pieces, and some more personal stuff that I'll be filming in my brand new office upstairs here in sunny Essex this August. I would love for you to follow along my journey, so please subscribe by clicking down there. And if there are any specific topics that you'd like me to cover, then please leave a comment in the description and I'll do my best to cover that topic this August in one of my daily videos. You can follow along my progress and the progress of the whole world participating in VEDA by following the hashtag VEDA, surprisingly. And something special that I'm doing just for VEDA, something that I've never done before, is a giveaway. And I'll be giving away 5 copies of my hot off the press brand new book. Ba-ding! It is awesome. It's an awesome prize. I really do want as many people as possible to read it, because it really is going to change the way that you do YouTube. If you would like to enter this giveaway, then please check out this card, and there will be multiple chances and multiple ways that you can increase your chances to win. Link also in the description. Once August is finished, I'll then be sharing my results of, did VEDA actually help to grow my channel? Is it worth you doing the same in the future? I'll be sharing that. And of course, I'm a human guinea pig when it comes to YouTube, so I'll also be showing you how this giveaway actually worked and whether that helped to grow my channel too. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos this August. And if this is the first time you're seeing me this August, then click here for my VEDA playlist. Thanks for following me along on this journey this August, and I hope to be following you along too. See you soon.